Unlocking student loan forgiveness through the Freedom of Information Act. Did you know a simple request can potentially ease your student debt burden? The Freedom of Information Act, FOIA, gives you access to documents that might help reduce your loans. Today, we'll explore how this law can become your ally in seeking debt forgiveness. FOIA is a law allowing public access to government-held information. It's a tool for unveiling documents, including those related to your student loans. By understanding its scope, you can request information crucial for verifying and securing your financial relief options. Errors in your loan account or hidden policies might be obstructing forgiveness. FOIA requests can uncover these discrepancies. Gaining insight into lender communications, terms, or government programs could reveal paths you didn't know existed for managing or minimizing your debt burden. Identify the agency holding the information you seek. It often could be the Department of Education if it pertains to student loans. 2. Draft a request stating precisely what documents you need. Submit it through the agency's FOIA submission process, typically available online. Be specific with your request to avoid delays. List the type of documents and date ranges. Mention that you're a borrower seeking student loan information, adding any account details. Be prepared for some wait time, but persistence is key to obtaining relevant information. Once you receive the documents, scrutinize the content. Look for errors in loan amounts or eligibility details for forgiveness programs. If anything is unclear, you can seek help from financial advisors or legal experts to make sense of the information. Utilize the uncovered data to explore forgiveness options. Whether it's addressing errors or applying to new programs, use this information to facilitate discussions with lenders or consolidate your finances effectively. Properly leveraged, this can lessen your financial load. The power of FOIA in your student loan journey is undeniable. By mastering this tool, you can pave your path towards potential forgiveness. If you found this guide insightful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content on student finance solutions. Your journey to financial freedom starts here.